This legacy Visa card is worthless. When they gave it to me, it had a $2,500 limit. They also gave me a $1,500 cash advance limit. So I went and I took out $500. The very same day they closed the account. 2 days later, I got a letter. The letter said, "Hey, you took out a cash advance based on your activity. We're closing your account." Okay, really? Fine, no problem. Now here's the deal. Let me show you another card, okay? This is a Blaze card. Had a $3,000 limit on it. Took out a cash advance from this card. Cash advance was up to $2,000 limit. Cash advance was about $550. The very same day, they closed the account. 3 days later, I got a letter. Letter said, "Hey, based on your bank activity, we're closing your account." Cash advance strikes again. Here are two rejection letters. I applied for an upgrade on one credit card and I applied for a new credit card. Both denied. Let's read the denial reason. Cash advance activity on your account in the last 12 months. Both letters say that. Cash advance activity on your account in the last 12 months. They're being very strict. We have to learn from this. Cash advances are a trick. They'll give you a cash advance oftentimes between 50%, 75% of your credit card limit. Then what they'll do is, from experience, once you use your cash advance to take out the money that they said you could take out, they will use that as a derogatory against your account. So if you apply for anything else, if you try to take your secured card unsecured, they may reject you based on cash advance activity. And according to this one, which is a Discover card, they're using it against you and they're going to use it against you for 12 months.